that foliage boost. Now you see this shading of a lot of flowers. So that thing we need it as soon as possible. So maybe I localize and then we shall send someone to get that one because we need to bring it here. So the next thing is that once these flowers are started fruiting, you see they're now starting to fruit. Now the next step is that you see when they are pinhead, they are small like this one. Then this is now the time for you to do application of Dudu-Cyper. Now you spray Dudu-Cyper because what we need to control here is thrips. This is now the damage. This is not the time for the thrips are coming. If you can see, this very tiny insect here. These are the one causing the damage. This. No, this one is the flower. This one. You see this one? This one. These are called thrips. They are very tiny. You see this carrot? These are the one that is causing this. So this is now the time to do the spray for this. And FCM, the false codling, the fruit flies and FCM. Now for FCM, the control of FCM, we first of all need to do monitoring, and by monitoring, control of fruit flies and FCM. Yes, control of fruit flies and FCM. And now by doing monitoring for this FCM, there are two kinds of traps we need to put in place. Per acre, you need to have at least 4 each. Per acre. 4 of this and 4 of this one.
Those bulbs.
These ones are for fruit flies. This one is for the FCM. Yeah. So this one, I'll show you how to assemble it and put it in each tree. When it comes like this one, this one is the housing. So you just fold it like, you see they have folded lines. You just fold it like this. Then this one, it fits by itself. You just have to follow how it is.
You don't need even to force it.
You don't have to force it because you see this one, they have a hole here and a hole here. So this one is where the string will come to. So this one you can put here. You have this one. This is the pen. I can use this pen. Thank you. So you just open it like that. Yeah, you can have it. Then you put it here. Just as simple as this. When you are done putting this string, the next step is to put a trap. You see this is a sticky. It has a sticky surface.
Yes.
So you remove it. You remove this cover.
You remove the sticker.
The sticker. You see now the way this is sticking. Then this one, you put it inside here. You see now, once you put it, you place it inside there, it can easily come out like this. So for you to restrain the back, this thing is created inside the way.
Yes.
You just fold it like this.
I get you now.
And then for this other section, you fold it the same way. Like this and like this. So this trap will not work without something called a lure. Lure. Pheromone lure.
Okay.
That lure is the one that is releasing the smell.
Okay.
So when that fly comes around here, the smell is dispersed around 15 meters square. So and that thing is here. See this green thing here? This thing cannot work without this one. This is now the lure. That's that kind of smell which this insect can be able to perceive it.
Which will attract the insect.
It will. But mostly this one will attract only the male. You see.
What of the female?
It releases the smell.
That attracts smells.
You see, when a female is on heat, it releases some kind of a smell that the male can hear or perceive from far. So this one will act as that one. So when the male comes, it gets trapped in with this sticky surface.
Okay.
So we put it in the middle like that.
You put one?
Yeah, you just put one. You see the way we have done, we have put it in the middle there.
Yes.
So the way this ones work, it has the principle that once it has controlled all the males around, the females cannot be able to continue laying eggs. So the population is reduced significantly.
Because there are very males.
Because now we have captured the males. Now, the essence of doing this one is that once in every other week, you check the population inside. If it was 7 this week, next week it can increase to 10. The other week can increase to...
Do you remove them or you just keep on checking?
You just keep on checking.
It gets stuck there, they can't move.
If it was 7 and then it is increasing, then it warrants us to do a spray.
Okay.
But if the population keeps on
reducing,
then it means you are now controlling.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then when you are putting it inside here, it is supposed to be 1 meter from the ground. So you can find somewhere where and where it is not exposed to sunlight too much, and at the same time where it is feasible. So here is most preferred side.
Now if you tie it there, how many meters are from the ground to that place?
Now this is approximately 1 meter, as you can see. You see now the way we have tied it is almost flat, like this. It's not slanting.
Okay.
It's not like that.
Even when it rains,
even when
it will not be affected.
It will not be affected because this is the housing that make sure that the sticky part is not wet.
Okay.
So the other one, this is how many acres of land? 4.
Approximately 4.
Approximately 4. So if you put 2 by 2 in each, then you will have to place at least 8.
8.
So you place it randomly. You put next there, and until you see this well dispersed across the orchard. Another thing I wanted to show you is
what are those balls?
Now this is now the one for fruit flies.
Okay.
So this is the one you monitor fruit flies. It's called a fruit fly ball trap. You see the surface is sticky, and the reason why this thing is yellow is because fruit flies perceive yellow color.
They
perceive yellow color.
Some time back, someone from also, was it Avocare, brought the green ones.
Or they brought the green ones. The green one mostly is for trips.
Okay. Because I've seen this yellow one for the first time.
Now this one now is for specifically for FCM. For fruit flies, not FCM.
Okay.
Yeah, the FCM
is with the other house.
Yeah. Now this is how you do it. You tie it around here with this string. Then when you are putting it on the tree, it works as this one. So you find somewhere where it is.
You can't put the 2 in one tree. This house and that fruit.
Yeah, you can put it because they are serving different purposes.
Yeah, I get you.
So you can put it here. Maybe that one you can just other side. This one you just hang it here.
Someone told us to put it down.
Put it down. No, it's supposed to be 1 meter apart from the ground. That's the distance.
Okay.
The standard distance. Now you see this one. It is not somewhere where it is hidden, and it is somewhere where it is visible. You see like this one? That's the FCM, this one is the fruit fly.
Okay.
And these fruit flies, they are just like house flies, but they are tiny.
Okay.
So they come and lay their eggs here. They tunnel and lay eggs inside. So while this the wound is trying to heal, it is producing this kind of white substance. Okay. But as it heals, the eggs which was laid inside are now starting to mature, and then eventually they become maggots, and then they eat on the bulb of that, destroying the quality of this fruit.
Okay.
That is why we are introducing these traps. So, what they are, you see this side
Yes.
of this fruit. Now this is the correct time to do this one.
Spray this.
Others are not the flower. Others are flowering. Others have.
Even others are mature.
Others
are mature. Now what we will do is that if we spray that dragon, the dragon will initiate flowering. These are the ones. This is not flowering.
Okay.
In the next 3 weeks or 1 month, this one will be mature. But the problem is, even if these ones are mature, you cannot have it because you are single tree like this one. You have to just leave it for now.
Do you have time? Let's move down inside. It is not exposed to sunshine, neither to rain, but not even up, I may say.
Yes.
So we placed it there.
That is almost half a meter. You will just raise it a little bit high.
Okay.
Now there is something else. You see this one?
This
one
I
is
was looking for
this thing is called mummification.
It is called what?
Mummification.
Mummification.
You know, this tree is communicating something.
Okay.
It has put enough fruit, but now the water it is getting to feed this one are not enough to feed them all. So they are now starting to abort a few so that the remaining one can be able to get enough water. So this is a biological response by itself. Now it tells you something that you need to supplement water when it is time for these trees to, because it requires a lot of water.
At least 70 liters a week.
Yeah.
For each tree.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
You have been putting water, eh?
Yeah. You have to up there.
You know, it means if you are not putting that water, you would see a lot of these ones. You would see a lot of these ones. But now, this one is a communication.